Hello friends, and you are watching Maths by Rajeshwar Chauhan. Students, in this video we will discuss about the topic differentiation of infinite series. It means how can we find out the differentiation of an infinite series. It means if you are given the infinite series, then how can we find out the differentiation? Get it? So if let us suppose if you are given y equal to fx to the power fx to the power fx to the power and so on. It means you are given the infinite series. Get it? So if you delete this term या neglect this term, then this series will also be an infinite series. Get it? So this can be written as y equal to fx to the power, this is also equal to y. Now taking log on both the sides, log y equal to y log fx by the formula log x to the power n equal to n log x. Clear? So if we differentiate both the sides, 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, use the product rule, y into 1 upon fx and fx derivative is f dash x plus log fx as it is into y का differentiation हो गया dy by dx. If we combine dy by dx, then it will be equal to 1 upon y minus log fx is equal to f dash x upon y fx. Clear? So this is equal to dy by dx is equal to this one upon this one. Clear? So this is the process to find out the differentiation of an infinite series. So let us check out by some example. First example is y equal to under root x to the power under root x to the power under root x to the power and so on up to infinite. Then find the value of dy by dx. It means how can we find out the differentiation of this one? Students, y equal to under root x to the power under root x to the power under root x to the power and so on up to infinite. If we neglect this term, yani first term, then remaining portion will be also an infinite series. It means no change in the given series. Get it? So this series can be written as under root x to the power y. It means this is also equal to y. Now take log on both sides. Why we take the log? Because variable to the power variable. Clear? So log y is equal to y log under root x. It can be written as y log half x, sorry, x to the power half, and by the formula log m to the power n equal to n log m, half will be here. So y into half log x, this is equal to log y. Clear? Now differentiate with respect to x, then it will be 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to y differentiation dy by dx into half log x as it is plus y as it is, and differentiation of half log x, half is constant and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. It means 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Now dy by dx taken outside, then it will become 1 upon y minus 1 by 2 log x is equal to y upon, and dy by dx is into, take the log 2y, that is 2 minus log x is equal to y upon 2x. 2 will be cancelled out. So dy by dx is equal to y this side, then this will become y square upon x into 2 minus log x. So this is the value of dy by dx. Next example is if y equal to under root x square plus 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 and so on up to infinite, then prove that dy by dx equal to 2x upon 2y minus 1. It means y is equal to under root x square plus 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 and so on. Then it will be written as y equal to under root x square plus, this is also an infinite series and same value for y, so it can be written as y. Now squaring both sides, y square is equal to x square plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x, 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2x plus dy by dx. Then it will be equal to dy by dx taken combined, then it will be 2y minus 1 is equal to 2x. Clear? So dy by dx is equal to 2x upon 2y minus 1 और यही आपको प्रूव करना है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज if y equal to cos x to the power cos x to the power cos x to the power cos x and so on, then prove that dy by dx equal to y square tan x minus y log cos x minus 1. Clear? It means dy by dx equal to y square tan x upon y log cos x minus 1. Similarly, if y equal to cos x to the power 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 and so on, if we delete or we neglect this one, then it will be y equal to cos x to the power y. Now variable to the power variable, so we have to take the log. Log y is equal to y log cos x. Clear? Differentiate with respect to x, 1 upon y dy by dx equal to y into log cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 upon cos x और cos x का फिर से करोगे तो दैट इज माइनस sin x. क्लियर? प्लस y का डिफरेंशिएशन dy by dx and log cos x as it is. Combine dy by dx, so dy by dx into 1 upon y minus log of cos x is equal to minus कितना y sin x upon cos x, that is tan x. Clear? Now if we take the LCM, dy by dx into LCM is y, then 1 minus log cos y log cos x is equal to minus y tan x. Clear? So dy by dx is equal to minus y square tan x upon 1 minus y log cos x. If we take the negative sign from common from denominator, then it will be minus a minus cancel, that it will be y square tan x upon y log cos x minus 1. This is the value of dy by dx and यही आपको प्रूव करना. Okay, next example is if y equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon and so on up to infinite, then prove that dy by dx equal to y upon 2y minus x. स्टूडेंट इसमें थोड़ा सा ट्रिक है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देख लीजिएगा. पहले मैं इसको सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, प्रूव कर रहा हूँ. y इक्वल टू x प्लस 1 अपॉन, अगर मैं इसको कैंसिल कर देता हूं तो इट विल बी ऑल्सो इक्वल टू y. सो दैट इज x प्लस 1 अपॉन y. नाउ इफ वी टेक द एलसीएम देन इट विल बी y इक्वल टू xy plus 1 upon y. It means y square equal to xy plus 1. Now differentiate 2y dy by dx is equal to, you have to use the product rule, x as it is into y का differentiation dy by dx plus x का differentiation 1, y as it is plus 1 का differentiation 0. So dy by dx taken outside, it is equal to 2y minus x is equal to y. It means dy by dx is what? That is equal to y upon 2y minus x. क्लियर? तो स्टूडेंट ये तो हमारा आंसर आ गया. अब दूसरी बात ये आती है कि सपोज हमने ये आपका यहां से लिखा था y इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 1 अपॉन वाई. अगर मैं इसको डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करता हूं, जरा देख लीजिएगा ध्यान से, dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स का डेरिवेटिव 1 प्लस 1 बाई वाई का माइनस 1 बाई वाई स्क्वायर इंटू वाई का फिर से करोगे dy बाई डी एक्स. इफ वी टेक द कॉमन dy बाई डी एक्स देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1 और ये इधर प्लस हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. तो आपका जो आंसर है स्टूडेंट वो नहीं आएगा. तो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द वैल्यू, फिर वहां से हमें वैल्यू पुट करनी पड़ेगी. क्लियर? तो इसलिए आप इसको इस वे से सॉल्व करेंगे, ज्यादा इजी रहेगा. गेट इट? नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज इफ y इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 10x प्लस अंडर रूट 10x प्लस अंडर रूट 10x प्लस एंड सो ऑन, देन प्रूव दैट dy बाय dx इक्वल टू sec स्क्वायर x अपॉन 2y माइनस 1. तो y इक्वल टू हमने ये ले लिया. नाउ y इक्वल टू, इट कैन बी रिटन एज 10x plus, if we delete this term then it will be also this series y. So it means it can be denoted as this one. So squaring both the sides, y square is equal to कितना? 10x plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx is equal to, differentiation of 10x is sec square x and the differentiation of y is again dy by dx. Now combine dy by dx from both the sides, then this is equal to dy by dx into 2y and minus 1 equal to sec square x. Clear? Now dy by dx is equal to sec square x upon 2y minus 1 and यही आपको प्रूव करना. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? ये था हमारा टॉपिक डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ इनफाइनाइट सीरीज. उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको ये टॉपिक समझ में आया होगा. क्लियर? तो ये था हमारा डिफरेंशिएशन का पोर्शन. अगर आपको फिर भी कोई डाउट है, मुझे उम्मीद है कि टोटल कंप्लीट हो गया. अब ये आपकी समझ में पूरी तरह से आ गया होगा. अगर फिर भी आपको कोई डाउट है तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स पे लिख दीजिएगा. उम्मीद करूंगा कि आप लिखेंगे और जो भी डाउट है वो पूछेंगे. उनके लिए अगर पॉसिबल होगा तो मैं उसी में कमेंट बॉक्स पर लिख दूंगा, कमेंट बॉक्स में ही. और अगर पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ वहां पे तो उससे, उन क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड मैं एक वीडियो आपको और बनाकर डाल दूंगा. तो ठीक है, तो मिलते हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए